Now we start with daily chart. Okay, as we can see, based on daily chart, we have been within this move for quite a long time. Is really corrective. It's moving upward, but it's really corrective. And if we put this one in relative to this, we can see that based on the indicators, we have a divergence here as well. Based on MACD, still we have a divergence. Okay, now the thing is, even I mentioned in some, if we get the down move sell setup, what we get, it will be really sharp, at least similar to what we have here. Or if we somehow, we can expect the price to drop and even retest this low at least. Okay, but if we get the down move, it we get the sell setup, it will be drop really sharp. Okay, similar what we see here. But anyway, the only question is how high this one can go and whether we can get the sell setup or not based on longer. If you want to trade for long term. And even in my last video and based on forward chart, you mentioned, see, every time price break the previous high, okay, then we can get the pullback. We had here pullback. Now the question is, what's this? All right, can we expect one more down or not? Okay, anyway, even if we move to indicate, if we put these three in relative to each other, we move to the indicators, we can see we have a divergence as well based on MACD. Okay, and that means if we follow whatever the move we have hidden here and the divergence, still we can expect one move down. Okay, what I want to see is we won't, if we don't buy here, it's very dangerous to buy here unless we get the proper trade setup. Okay, now if I move to 1 hour chart, first of all, I want to refer to my last video. In my last video, when the price was here, I mentioned that since we have broke the top, we can expect a down move similar to what we have here, and this is what we get. And there was a trade setup here. Okay, sharp. Is it the down move? Correction. Okay, and we get this. But later on, there was another trade setup for buy, which I didn't have any update for that. Okay, since I was busy. But if anyone could get this trade, they should get a really good trade. They could have make a really good profit, because as we can see, we have the reversal correction, but this one haven't broke this low. That means we could have entry above this. Okay, in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us really good trade, because this is what you risk and this is what you get. Okay, whatever we get here, almost last time we had here at this, is just a repetition. Okay, what I want to say is that now, since the price broke this top similar to what we have here, I don't think we are interested to buy here. That's mean if we get any sell setup, we will be more interested in the sell. But we have to get the sell setup as well before we take the sell. All right. That's mean at least price drop, correct, give a flag, correction, then we drop. Because in terms of the risk and reward, with the stop loss above the top can give us very good trade. As I say, we are more interested in the sell. We are not looking for buy. The only times we can look for buy if we get proper correction. Okay, then we need to see whether we should buy or not. But right now I say buying at this top is not a really good idea unless we see some changes. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If we get any sell setup, we take the trade. And if we see any changes, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.